Flu season is hitting hard. The CDC says we could see the season peak as early as New Year's, but it's more likely it will happen by late January, which is about a month earlier than normal. Meantime, Children's Hospital of Michigan is putting new visitor restrictions into place to stop the spread of the flu. 7 Action News reporter Jennifer Ann Wilson shows us who's being allowed to see patients.
The kids who've been admitted to Children's Hospital or are here for observation are usually pretty sick, which means their immune system is already working overtime, and these new restrictions are put in place to help protect them during flu season. This year's flu season has been fierce. The CDC's most recent report says there were more than 13,400 confirmed cases so far, which is more than 6 times the number of cases this time last year. Widespread flu activity has been reported in 23 states. Michigan is not one of them so far, but with millions of people traveling for the holidays, the virus is expected to travel too.
The influenza virus can exist in the air 3 to 6 feet from a person who is infected, and that does not have to be spread by just coughing or sneezing. That can be spread by talking or breathing.
On top of that, the National Institute of Health says the flu vaccine this year is only 10% effective. The Children's Hospital of Michigan says kids are very susceptible to catching and spreading illness, which is why beginning today, only those 13 years or older can visit inpatient and observation units. Those under 13 years of age will not be allowed in those units. It's a proactive measure to keep patients safe. This new visitor restriction is only temporary. So parents, this means you cannot bring any kids under the age of 13 if you're visiting an inpatient here at Children's Hospital until flu season is over, and that is usually around May. In Detroit, Jennifer Ann Wilson, 7 Action News.